Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going over how much stock should I really have. Hey guys, so how much stock should we really have has been a question that I get a lot. It's kind of a tricky one because how much do you have to invest? How much do you have to have? But I'm just going to tell you how much I have in my stock. So raw wigs, I have around 5 to 10, to be honest with you. I don't think I would ever need more than that unless it's like a big show or something. Then we have like prep days and all that. But for rentals and for bigger shows, I have a stock about 500 wigs we have hanging up. If you watch my studio tour, you will see how I maintain all my wigs and how I keep my stock, and you'll see it all there. But I have around 500, 200 to 500 wigs that I can create, make into whatever we need to. But as far as retail stock, I know that a lot of you are doing retail wigs. So I really think it depends on how many clients you have, what kind of products you want to put out, and how fast you actually make your wigs. If you're doing the Koye education method, if you're doing in my method, you can have, 10 to 15 wigs that you can just bang out real quick. Or if you want to do one at a time custom wigs, you could do that. I definitely say 5. 5 is like the secret number, because then you can have 3 clients, to pay for your monthly stuff, and then you have 2 that you could be working on just to throw in the mix for when someone wants a wig. So this is how what you really need. And then track hair, extensions, all of that is a whole nother ball of wax, which you definitely need to have in stock. You definitely are going to need some bundles on you. I would definitely try to go wholesale route so you can get a better price for the ones that you want. You also want to make sure that this texture hair matches the texture hair in the wigs that you have in stock. So basically, if I have a straight wig, I will have 2 straight bundles. Like that's kind of my thing. One bundle, well, half a bundle will be for ventilating the front hairline, and then the other one will be to put in the back if they want more thickness. So instead of 180 density, it'd be like 200. So you just want to have enough for each of your wigs. So if you have 5 wigs, that means you need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 bundles, okay? 10 bundles to make that all work, and whichever way you need it to work. That is my how much you should have in your kit, in stock. So click subscribe, please, and also hit that notification button, because if you learned something today, I want to know how many wigs you keep in your stock. How do you keep them? I would love you to write in the comments below so that I can see what you're doing. So maybe you guys can help me with how I keep my room looking pretty. So till next time, it's me.